Gosh, I'm doing another video talking about Nita jelly roll. And I think Michael would rather tease her than eat when he's hungry. He'll walk into the restaurant and he'll say, "Jelly roll, you still work here?" It's only been 20-something years. She said, "Get out of here." What does she say to you, Michael?
Shut up, Michael.
Shut up, Michael. That's what she tells him. And that just eggs him on more, you know. But anyway, she would make mayonnaise biscuits for the back of the house when we were in our first location, because we worked so hard and we didn't have time to really eat a meal, you know, so she'd make treats like that for us. But Jamie adores her mayonnaise biscuits. And, you know, it's funny because I used to make these. They're called easy rolls or something like that. But I used to make them years ago, and I don't remember the kids saying, "Oh, my gosh, that's my favorite biscuit." But as Jamie has gotten older, he loves Nita's biscuit. And these are real easy. I'm starting with like 2 cups of self-rising flour, and I've got 1 cup of milk. You know, I think the recipe says add the milk first, but I'm going to go ahead and add some sugar because these are kind of a sweet biscuit. And I'm just going to add that cup of milk to our 2 cups of flour. And, you know, you have to have some kind of fat for a biscuit.
Yes.
So we are going to use mayonnaise because mayonnaise has a lot of oil in it. So let's see what it says. I think it says use 4 heaping tablespoons of mayonnaise. 1, 2, 3. Oh, excuse me. I get so tickled when that. I'm weird, aren't I, Eddie?
Weird.
Uh-huh.
I think we're all weird.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now, if you look up the recipe on the website, it's going to tell you to make this in muffin tins,
Yeah.
which I don't ever recall Nita making them in a muffin tin. She just made them straight on the pan. So I got a muffin tin pulled out to show y'all, and they would be delicious in a miniature, you know, just a little bite of a biscuit with something. Or you could do this size. What is that? I don't know what that is. But I think I'm just going to do ours on a sheet pan. But I am going to... Uh-oh, this is about empty.
Just enough one.
Yeah, I got some more, but yeah. See, I can always get a little goodie out of it.
I appreciate it.
That's all right, Teresa. We're fine. All right, now I have greased my ice cream scooper so that dough will come right off of that. This doesn't make very many, but
What?
Paula, is that the type of recipe you could double?
oh gosh,
No
yes.
problem.
Oh yes. With a bigger bowl.
Yeah.
Yeah, you could double this easy. But I'm making kind of big biscuits, you know.
Tight it.
Yeah, it's going to make more than what you think. I didn't start far enough at the end. So I'll do it that way.
Wait.
in honor of Nita today. Thank you. You want to stick that in the oven,
Certainly.
Therese?
How many minutes?
Oh, let's see how many it says. I think like 12 or 15. 12 to 15. Look at here, y'all. Nita's mayonnaise biscuits. With just a little splat of butter. You know, I went to buy yesterday, I went to buy the butter that, you know, is clarified for you. It's got all the water cooked out of it. It had jumped up in price. A smaller container, it was like $14. I said, no, I'll clarify my own butter like I've done for years. You know, that I just thought that was like awful, awful, awful. All right, what do you kiddos want on your biscuit?
Just butter.
Just butter? Okay. You want a whole biscuit or half a biscuit?
A whole.
That's my girl. Oh my gosh, look at that biscuit, y'all. Delicious. It's a little sweet because of the sugar. If you don't want a sweet biscuit, leave out the sugar. And wonderfully easy because it involves no rolling out and all that stuff. Having to cut in your shortening. Do try y'all Jamie Dean's favorite mayonnaise biscuit. I'm in heaven. I'm in biscuit heaven. Loving best dishes, y'all.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.